Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, so our seat work page for today says this is lesson 20, page 15 and 16 from our number skills K5 book. All right, it says circle the child on the right, underline the child on the left. All right, and so I'm going to give you just a second to look at them. Which one is on the right? The right. We're going to circle that one. Good. Underline the child that is on the left. That's going to be this boy right here. Good. All right, number 2 says trace and write. We're going to write our number 2s. Make a candy cane, give it a shoe. Make a candy cane, give it a shoe. Candy cane, give it a shoe. Make a candy cane and give it a shoe. Make a candy cane and give it a shoe. And then number 3, around and around just like a bee. That's the way you make a 3. Looks like a butterfly wing. All right, good. Number 3 says circle 9 of each. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Now let's circle 9 pieces of candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all of the pieces of candy. Good. Let's look on the back. All right, so let's look up here. This is what you need to pay attention to. This is what you need to pay attention to. The number 1, you're going to color red. If you see the number 1 in the picture, color it red. If you see the number 2, color it green. If you see the number 3, color it blue. If you see the number 4, color it orange. And the number 5, you're going to color yellow. All right, guys, have a great day.